All right, we're going to do a test drive of this this Honda TRX250. I just got done cleaning the carburetor on there. Gotta put this back and do a tire on it. I'll finish up a few small things on there, but we did get the carburetor cleaned on it, and let's run it. The idle's a little high. I think it's through this choke cable, might be some of it, but anyway. Get this. I think it idles. To me, it idles a little high. It could be that choke cable's messed up, causing it to run a little richer. But I could probably turn that screw down and help too. They might have the screw on. The screw might be a little too tight. See, this is in first gear without me touching the gas on it. Open her up. Brakes are great. Yeah, I think that idle's a little too high on this. Well, I'm gonna turn it down. Anyway, guys. That was just a quick random ride, test ride of this. I'm gonna turn that screw in out just a hair. It's idling a little high. It still could be this cable you can see right here. So it's probably letting that choke run be like halfway. So that cable really needs to be replaced. Anyway, guys, that's it. Just a short riding video, non-edit. Just post it up there, riding this four-wheeler. Anyway, guys, I'll see y'all on the next one.